Are you an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, after rising almost 4% yesterday, the Australian share market is poised to continue its recovery today, tracking strong cues from Wall Street. Yesterday, the Reserve Bank of Australia surprised the market with a smaller than expected quarter-point rate hike. The latest SPI futures indicate that the ASX 200 would open 96 points higher today. That's 1.4%. Now, yesterday, the benchmark index closed 3.75% higher at 6,699 points. Moving on to some business news now, and Fortescue Future Industries has entered a global strategic collaboration with energy infrastructure developer Tree Energy Solutions, and that aims to accelerate the development of a world-leading green hydrogen and green energy import facility in Germany. The investment of $195 million will be funded by FFI's unutilised capital commitment. Through the agreement, FFI subsidiary Netherlands Fortescue Future Industries Holdings will invest $45 million to become a shareholder in Tree Energy Solutions, as well as invest $151 million in the construction of the test terminal in Wilhelmshaven, Germany. The first delivery of green hydrogen into Tess's terminal in Germany is expected to take place in 2026. Initial collaboration projects will be focused in Australia, Europe, the Middle East and Africa. And SRG Global is pleased to announce its Aboriginal joint venture Bogaba has been awarded a 5-year term contract with Ironbridge Operations. This is an unincorporated joint venture between Fortescue Metals Group subsidiary FMG Ironbridge and Formosa Steel IB. It's a master agreement for maintenance and shutdown services to provide engineered scaffold services across its new magnetite project in Western Australia. The contract is expected to start early calendar year 2023. And battery metals and rare earth elements company Voltaic Strategic Resources is set to start trading on the ASX at 10 a.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time today. They're going to trade under the ticker code VSR. Oversubscribed re-compliance capital raise $4.55 million, and that means the company is well positioned to execute its exploration strategy. Exploration focus is lithium, rare earth elements, NiSu, PGE and gold. Well, now it's time for a very short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to ZeroCoin.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report, taking a quick look at the global markets now. The US Labor Department yesterday revealed that the job openings declined by the most in almost 2.5 years in August, suggesting the labour market may be starting to cool amid rising rates. On Wall Street, the Dow Jones was up 2.8%, the S&P 500 was up 3.06%, and the Nasdaq ended 3.34% higher. Now, over in Europe, the FTSE rose 2.6%, the DAX was up 3.8%, and the CAC ended 4.2% higher. The MSCI World Equity Index was last up 3.3%. Oil prices continued their upward trajectory yesterday on expectations of output cuts from the world's biggest exporters. Brent crude rose 3.11% to $91.62 a barrel. WTI crude was up 3.16% at $86.27 a barrel. Gold hit a 3-week high after the US dollar and bond yields were eased. Spot gold rose 1.5% to $1,724 an ounce. Meanwhile, Bitcoin rose as much as 4% yesterday to trade over the 20,000 US dollar mark for the first time in around a month, and that was following on from the US stock market rises. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.